Hello, what's up guys, good morning. So, actually marami nag-message sa akin and they're asking me, Sir, bakit ang dami niyo pong pinapasok na business? Akala ko po ba trading lang kayo or whatsoever? You know what guys, I'm the type of person na hindi ako papayag na wala akong kinikita kapag lagapak yung isang negosyo ko. When you are a real businessman or if you are an entrepreneur, dapat hindi ka papayag na yung kinikita mo bumababa. So what I did is I diversified my money sa iba't ibang business, whether real estate, automobiles, ngayon yung pag-aaso or whatsoever, kasi may potential na kumita. If you're just relying on one source alone, there will come a time na hihina yan. Parang sa trading na nangyari. Ano ba nangyari sa trading ngayon? Di ba nag-dump? And most of the traders, nalugi sila ng malaki. And the reason why I'm still surviving, I'm still, can do this, can do that, it's because I diversified my money to different businesses ahead of time. Nung time na nakita ko na may chances mag-manipulate or manaig ang bear markets, pinasok ko na yung pera ko sa iba't ibang negosyo ko habang malaki pa yung kinikita ko sa trading noon. Always remember that, huwag kang umuhintayin yung time na kaya ka lang maghahanap ng other source of income. It's because mahina na yung kinikita mo doon sa isang negosyo mo. Because if that happens, it will make you suffer. Bakit? Siyempre, isa lang yung business mo, hindi ka pa nag-diversify. Alike kasi ng kinikita nung before. Ngayon, humina yung kita nung business mo na yon. So, naghanap ka ng other source of income. Unfortunately, hindi ka sanay na ganun lang kaliit yung kinikita mo kasi startup pa lang naman yung business mo na bago. Right? So, ang gagawin mo, mag-struggle ka. I mean, mag-ano ka, yung magmamadali ka. So, kapag nagmamadali tayo, may chances na magkamali tayo. There will come a time na pwedeng bara-bara na lang yung gagawin natin, bahala na ganito, ang mahalaga sa akin, may malaki ulit yung earnings ko, or maibalik yung earnings ko, or whatsoever. That will happen. So, for me, always remember this, dapat pupasok ka sa iba't ibang negosyo habang may pera ka pa. Huwag mo nang hintayin yung time na humina yung income mo sa existing business mo bago ka pumasok sa isang negosyo ulit. There are so many people that are good in trading, that are good in business, but always remember to be good in life. Dapat magaling ka sa buhay. Dapat alam mo yung gagawin mo sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Dapat alam mo yung paikot-ikot, yung lahat ng dapat na pinapasok mo, dapat kinakabisado mo. Because if not, nothing will ever happen. Always remember that. Diversify habang kumikita pa yung business mo, and always be good in life. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, peace out, and stay awesome.